Right now, we are going to have heavy rain possible at times this weekend. Other weather headlines today and tomorrow, few strong storms, but going into this weekend, stalled front. It's going to bring some heavy rain to the area next week. Very muggy air, and we're going to potentially have heat index values returning into the triple digits midweek. Just wanted to give the broad setup on Storm Tracker because right now we're just dealing with this group of showers and storms going through our area, but this system is going to be our problem through the next couple days. A stalled front is going to get down to us and kind of hover around us for days, bringing in more rain chances. We'll zoom in on the Storm Tracker. It's been wet at times this morning, in and out of sprinkles for the metro area. It looks like a small downpour just west of Plainfield, but those light sprinkles extend up to Anderson and along I-69. The heaviest rain we had this morning was in eastern Indiana with some lightning strikes. That's now exited into Ohio. Light rain falling in Richmond. Today there is a marginal 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather for today, primarily for damaging wind. Slight 2 out of 5 risk for those along Lake Michigan. Now it's almost a two-parter for us in Indiana because Futurecast into this afternoon. First, to get the pop-up showers and storms in eastern Indiana, which are going to be mainly isolated. So much of western Indiana is not going to see a lot of action during the daytime hours. Well, fast forward as we're going into the evening, complex of storms likely forms in northern Illinois, tries to survive into Indiana. So this is by no means an all-day rain chance, and not everyone's going to get a shower or storm for today. Should have clouds eventually decreasing to partly cloudy. For your day on Thursday, isolated rain chances start turning more scattered in the afternoon and evening hours. The focus south of I-70, that's where we have a marginal 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather in play. And going into the day on Friday, those showers are going to be hugging southern Indiana along the Ohio River once again. Live look at our Speedway camera. It's a cloudy start, 75 degrees, winds at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Dew points especially muggy. We're in the lower 70s. That's a tropical-like air mass. For today, isolated rain chances mainly in the eastern parts of the state through the afternoon, mid to upper 80s for highs. Average high for this time of year is 85. Just above that, 90 in Washington, 94 in Evansville for today. Tonight, we're in the low to mid 70s. And looking ahead to tomorrow, I mentioned that marginal 1 out of 5 risk. Same thing goes, damaging wind, the primary threat for the southern parts of the state. Tomorrow, temperatures will be getting into the mid to upper 80s. This isn't an all-day rain chance as well, with mainly seeing showers and storms dropping through the area in the afternoon and evening. 87 here in Indy, 82 in Kokomo, 76 in South Bend. Now, this is going to be something interesting to watch through the next couple of days. This is Invest 93L. It has a small chance at tropical development, but either way, it's carrying a lot of moisture with it. You could see 6 to 10 inches of rain in Louisiana. The track's pretty important for us because if it takes more of an eastward track, we shouldn't have to worry about it too much. More of a westward track, some of that moisture gets driven into Indiana. And the weekend measurements, we could see quite a bit of rain. This is the next 7 days of rainfall. And most spots in central Indiana, it's 2 to 4 inches, with the majority of that falling on the weekend, isolated higher amounts. Beyond the weekend, turning very hot next week with this heat dome building back in. A quick look at some of the heat index values we could see by next Wednesday. And yeah, getting into the triple digits. A lot of that has to do with this thing we called corn sweat. So hot, the corn will be sweating and increasing our dew points. Hope Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling 7-day forecast. Wish you were here for tomorrow. We'll be dodging some of those showers and storms in Hamilton County. Temperatures in the mid-80s on Friday. Friday is probably our driest day. And then showers and storms heavy at times through the weekend. Still a chance of rain into early next week.